Drone pool here. So this is my Mantis 85. Now this is part of two birds. My Mantis 85 wasn't flying right, had issues. Ed over at Love My Drones, his wasn't working. He sent me his, and out of the two, switching parts and everything, I was able to get this one flying. So this one flies. Okay, so I have this frame here to work on. Okay, I have this flight controller, I have this camera, I got frame parts, got another cable, got a couple standoffs here. Okay, and then I received this one in the mail. This came from Gene's RC Addiction. He was having issues also with his. So I can't remember exactly what he said is wrong with this. I'll have to ask him. But this isn't flying either. So between this and this, maybe I can get another one flying. Also, let's see. I've got some of these props I can use. Got some more standoffs and screws. I have a Frisky FR Sky receiver. Here I have an ESC. I have a flight controller. More standoffs. Another ribbon cable. Okay, so I got crap. Oh, I have another flight controller. Ribbon cable standoffs. More props. Okay, this also came from Gene's RC Addiction. This is a entirely new frame. So everything, yeah, frame, strap, more standoffs, bolts, screws. Okay, so I got that. Here's another motor with more screws and standoffs. So it looks like with all this stuff, I should have enough to get one more of these going, and then I'll see where I'm at and what I have left after that. So first things first, I'll start working on this and kind of see where we're at. Or I may try and figure out what's going on with this. I don't know. So either way, I'm going to try and get another working Mantis. Then I will have two working Mantises and a crap load of parts left over. Alright, I'll come back and let you know what I figured out. Alright, Drone Pool, signing out. Okay, Drone Pool here. So I've been working on this Mantis for Gene's RC Addiction. He was having trouble when arming. It would flip over and get all wonky. So he sent it to me. So Gene, I know you're going to watch this, so I'll talk to you. These two motors you installed on the back, one was wired to the ESC differently than original, so it made the motor spin the wrong direction, and that's why you were having trouble. So I rewired that motor to where it spins the right direction, put a new ribbon cable in, and Gene flies with the jumper, and this came with a Fly Sky receiver, so I upgraded the receiver to a FR Sky receiver, and it's a better receiver than what they sent out with these stock. So I think I got it ready to fly. So I guess we'll just give it a go and see what happens. The only real issue I've had is I can't get the buzzer to work, so Gene will have to figure something out on that, but I think he can do it. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this in the air without any issues. Alright, I'll be right back.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Now, Gene, I don't know if you use air mode, but I do have air mode set up on it through Betaflight, but if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. So there's air mode. But, okay. Take my glasses off. So she flies. So there you go, Gene. Your Mantis is now flying. So So I will get that out to you as soon as I can. And since I got this one ready to fly, I haven't even been able to take it out and fly it. And if you can look at these two receivers, mine's got the big black one, that's the stock, and this is a better receiver on yours. Dang it, I'm going to switch those out. No, I'm not going to do that. I have another receiver like this to put on if I need to. So, alright, hopefully I can fly. I'll probably fly this in the house sometime today, I think. So, alright, Gene's RC Addiction. Go check out his channel and check him out. He's got good stuff, doing a lot of FPV, and hopefully I can get this in the air soon. I want to fly this again. I like this little thing. It's quick. These little Mantis 85s, they're zippy, but I just think the internal parts are a little on the weak side. The ESCs are weak, but I don't know until I can find a better stack by someone else. So, alright, I guess that's it for this episode of Drone Pool Workshop. Alright guys, thanks for hanging. Appreciate it. Drone Pool signing out. Don't tread on my freedom. Alright, later.